Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Azila binti Muhammad Zain, number matric S75815. I am from Group 3. Now I will do the demonstration for database development and query development.
Now we look the question. We need to do the problem 4.10 that we need to do the database to store information from a table, in the table and appraiser table. We need to save the file first. I save summon eyes and put it in the file and then create the file. The first thing first is we need to do the borrow table, save the borrower table, the name and put the information borrower ID, last name and first name, current address, remote amount, lender ID and appraiser ID. The remote amount I will change to the format which is the format that we need to change and then view it back and put the information in the borrower table. After we put information in the borrow table, we need to do the lender table. Save the lender table. And then we can put all the information in the lender table, which is lender ID, lender name and lender address. After we finish but all the information in the lender table, we need to do the appraiser table, which is we save the appraiser table first. And then we put the information for the appraiser table, which is appraiser ID and appraiser name. After we put all the information data, we need to see the question, which is A, B, C, D, E, F. For the A, we need to enter the borrower table and appraiser table, which is after the appraiser name, that we need to write down the advanced appraiser, and then after that we can enter run to see the SQL view, design view, and datasheet view. This is the view that we got after we enter run. For the question B, we can see that we need to enter appraiser table and then appraiser ID, appraiser name, and write down the D. After that, we run to see the datasheet view, design view, and the SQL view. And after that, we need to save the question to question B. For the question C, need us to enter borrower and lender. After that, we need to enter the lender name, borrower ID, record amount, and appraiser ID. After that, we need to write down the 8, and then we delete the tick, and then we can run to see the design view, SQL view, and datasheet view, and save the file. For the question D, need us to enter borrower, lender, and appraiser table. So after that, we can delete the tick and write down after the record amount 100,000, and then we change the unit values to yes, and then after that we can enter run to see the design view, datasheet view, and the SQL view. After that, we can save the question. For question E, we need to enter the borrower table, lender table, and then we need to choose the lender ID, lender name, record amount. After that, after we choose all, we need to total all and change the group to average, and then choose above that descending to run the design, and then we can got the design view, SQL view, and datasheet view. We enter the view to see the datasheet view and design view and SQL view. For the question F, we need to enter the borrower table and appraiser table. After that, we choose appraiser name, appraiser ID, and then totals all, and then change the group by to count. After that, we can run to see the SQL design view and datasheet view. This is the result for the answer for the question F that we need to see for the datasheet view, for the design view, and SQL view. That's all from me. Thank you.